Welcome to Bite-Sized Future, your go-to channel for the latest in AI, tech, and tools that can supercharge your creativity. In today's video, we're diving into 10 top-rated AI tools that help you brainstorm content ideas, exploring what makes them so effective, their limitations, and pricing options. Whether you're a solo creator or part of a content team, these tools can elevate your brainstorming sessions and spark new ideas faster than ever before. We'll start with Team-GPT, a collaborative AI platform built for teams who want to generate, refine, and organize ideas together. What makes Team-GPT stand out is its integration with multiple AI models, including GPT-5 and Claude Sonnet 4, which allows users to access diverse perspectives in real time. You can have multiple team members collaborate within the same workspace, combining individual insights into coherent, actionable ideas. The free plan allows 20 messages for up to 5 users, which is perfect for testing its capabilities, but serious teams will benefit from paid plans that offer unlimited messaging, advanced analytics, and priority AI model access. Its strength lies in blending collaboration with AI-powered creativity, though it may feel overwhelming for individual creators who don't need a team-based platform. Next up is Gemini by Google, a highly advanced AI model designed for creative content ideation. Gemini excels in generating novel ideas, rewriting content in multiple styles, and even suggesting topics that a human creator might not have considered. Its interface is user-friendly, and it supports multi-step brainstorming workflows, allowing you to expand on raw concepts and refine them into polished content. The free plan is limited by daily usage, but the AI Pro plan at $20 per month and the AI Ultra plan at $250 per month unlock full potential, including higher usage limits, faster processing, and access to the newest generative capabilities. While Gemini is powerful, its complexity might require some learning time for beginners to maximize its creative potential. Claude by Anthropic offers a unique approach with conversational AI that focuses on generating creative, nuanced, and highly context-aware ideas. Claude shines when brainstorming multiple angles for a topic, as it can simulate discussions and explore scenarios in a human-like way. Its integration with tools like Canva allows content creators to not only generate ideas, but also see visual representations and create graphics based on those ideas. Limitations include usage caps for free users, and advanced capabilities are only available via the $200 per month Pro plan or the Max plan, which is designed for intensive, professional-level brainstorming. Claude's conversational style is particularly useful for writers, educators, and marketers who want a more interactive ideation experience. ChatGPT remains one of the most versatile tools for content brainstorming. Its ability to handle prompts across various domains, blog posts, scripts, social media content, email campaigns, and more, makes it a Swiss Army knife for creators. The free version gives limited access and may include slower response times during peak usage. But the $200 per month Pro plan or India's ChatGPT Go plan at 399 Indian rupees per month offers priority access, enhanced features, and the ability to integrate plugins for research, data analysis, and other advanced workflows. ChatGPT's adaptability makes it excellent for both solo and collaborative ideation, though users may need to provide clear prompts to extract its full potential. For overcoming creative blocks, HyperWrite provides targeted support by offering idea suggestions, topic expansions, and phrase recommendations. HyperWrite is particularly adept at helping writers get past the blank page problem, making it an ideal companion for content creation and brainstorming. Its free plan limits character usage, but the premium plan at $16 per month and Ultra plan at $29 per month provide unlimited access and advanced tools, including style adjustments, sentence rewriting, and idea variation. The main limitation is that while HyperWrite excels at idea generation, it is less suited for large team collaboration or project management, making it better for individual creators. Jasper AI focuses on professional content creation, offering tools that generate blog topics, outlines, ad copy, and even long-form articles. Its AI is trained to understand marketing psychology and audience engagement, making it perfect for creators looking to produce content that resonates with their audience. The Creator plan at $39 per month provides core functionalities, while the Pro plan at $59 per month unlocks advanced features such as team collaboration, content workflows, and SEO integration. Jasper's limitations include its higher cost compared to simpler AI brainstorming tools and a learning curve to master its full capabilities. But for professionals, the efficiency gains are significant. Similarly, Copy.AI is designed to help marketers, social media managers, and content creators generate ideas quickly. It can suggest headlines, blog post concepts, campaign ideas, and even social media copy. Copy.AI's advanced plans, including the $2,000 per month enterprise and $3,000 per month scale plans, offer bulk generation and AI-powered collaboration tools, making it suitable for agencies or large marketing teams. While highly effective, its cost can be prohibitive for individual creators or small teams, and some users may find its interface less intuitive than other platforms. Collaboration and workspace integration are key strengths of Notion AI, which allows teams to brainstorm, organize ideas, and overcome creative blocks in a shared digital environment. Users can draft content, generate outlines, and refine ideas while maintaining full project context within Notion's workspace. Its free version offers basic AI tools, but the business plan at $19.50/user/month or enterprise plan provides full AI access, including advanced automation and workflow integration. Notion AI is particularly useful for teams who want to combine brainstorming with structured content planning, though it may feel over-engineered for individual creators seeking simpler solutions. For visual ideation, MindMeister brings mind mapping to content brainstorming. It allows users to visualize relationships between ideas, cluster concepts, and structure content in an intuitive visual format. MindMeister is ideal for organizing complex projects, planning articles, and developing topic clusters. Its main limitation is that it primarily focuses on visual mapping rather than generating ideas on its own, meaning it works best in combination with AI writing tools. Pricing varies depending on plan and team size, offering options for casual users as well as professional teams. Finally, Miro AI combines the strengths of visual collaboration and content brainstorming in a dynamic digital workspace. Teams can map strategies, outline campaigns, and generate ideas interactively, making it perfect for remote teams and collaborative projects. While some advanced functionality requires integration with other tools, Miro AI's flexibility and interactivity provide a unique environment for turning ideas into actionable plans. Its collaborative nature makes it especially effective for workshops, planning sessions, and cross-functional team brainstorming. Together, these 10 AI tools cover every aspect of content brainstorming, from solo ideation to collaborative planning, from text-based prompts to visual mind mapping. Each tool has its unique strengths, limitations, and pricing options, ensuring that whether you're an individual creator, a small team, or a large agency, there's a solution tailored to your workflow. By leveraging these AI tools strategically, you can speed up the brainstorming process, generate more creative ideas, and ultimately produce higher quality content with less effort. Thanks for watching Bite-Sized Future. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a bite of the future in AI and tech innovation.